In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a seamless text animation in After Effects. Create the composition and click OK. The first thing you want to do is select the Type tool and type out your text. Now go to Align panel and align the text horizontally and vertically. Now press Ctrl+D to duplicate the text layer and move the duplicate upward. Now come to the Character panel and click the Swap Fill and Stroke icon. This will turn the text into an outline. You can adjust the stroke width here. I'm going to set mine to 7. Next, duplicate the outline text layer and move it upward again. Now select both of these layers and duplicate them. Move the duplicates below the original text. Once everything is in place, select all of your text layers and right-click and select Pre-Compose. Name the composition, repeat, and click OK. Now double-click the pre-composition to open it. Go to Composition, choose Composition Settings, and reduce the height until there's only a small amount of space above and below the text. Once it looks right, click OK. Go back to the main composition and select the Repeat Pre-Comp. Then go to Effect EBU, search for Motion Tile Effect. Increase the output height until the tiled text completely fills the composition. Now go to the beginning of the timeline and add a keyframe for Tile Center. Move forward in the timeline, then change the Y value of Tile Center. And that's it. We now have a seamless scrolling title animation. You can adjust the speed and direction of the animation to create different looks and use this effect in your intros, social media videos, and motion graphics projects. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others.